Ford Motor Company, Problems and Symptoms and Overview. Dating back to the 1970s, Ford Motor Company was faced with some unique problems and opportunities. For first, the auto industry was quickly becoming a global market. This was evident in the overcapacity of the market, the increased competition from foreign manufacturers, and industry consolidation, which is evident when Ford was able to purchase Volvo from a Swedish manufacturer. Outdated supply base is another problem opportunity at Ford. Underperforming relationship with vendors, unresponsiveness to customer needs, and unintegrated model are all symptoms of this. Post-World War II saw a big boom for Chrysler, Ford, and General Motors, considered the big three, and they had a strong hold on the American market as well as the foreign market of auto. Ford's competition, as you can see dating back to the 1950s, was pretty non-existent. Toyota and Nissan at that time were producing zero automobiles. By 1960, barely above that number. By 1970, you can see how the competition will start to take off for these two manufacturers. And the competition would continue to grow and grow as more manufacturers came in from the Asian market, European market as well. This all created the challenge of overcapacity. Merriam-Webster defines overcapacity as excessive capacity for production or services in relation to demand. Would there be too many cars and not enough people? Overcapacity and how it relates to Ford. As more and more of these manufacturers entered the market, this would affect the industry and Ford, and they would be faced with the concern of overcapitalization. Established automakers such as Ford were really forced to reevaluate their production and strategy in order to accommodate the new global market. Ford's other big challenge was an outdated supply base, which was going through several transitions and re-engineering known as Ford 2000. Some of the symptoms were an underperforming relationship with suppliers, an unresponsiveness to customer needs, and an unintegrated supply chain model that did not connect the manufacturer with the suppliers, nor the manufacturer with the customer. Companies with fewer physical assets than Ford and much lower revenues and profits than Ford were able to achieve better market capitalization. This is just yet another symptom of that problem. Ford's opportunity in this challenge is that the auto industry is quickly becoming a global enterprise. Overcapacity and new competitors have given Ford Motors the motivation to capitalize on their size and history to truly become a global leader and maintain their dominance in the market. The real challenge is how Ford will achieve this and which strategies and technologies they will employ. Challenges and symptoms, a recap for your convenience.